2 from Smethwick Bridge to Cradley Heath. So here's Smethwick West Junction. It is still used but only rare these days by the cross-country services Bristol. And hope you enjoy the trip. So this train is making a journey from this train is going, this has just come from like Stratford upon Avon as the next station.
Approaching Cradley Green. Please mind the gap when leaving the train and step onto the platform before removing heavy luggage and pushchairs.
So we're now arriving at Langley Green. Langley Green, which is a less used station. Welcome to Langley Green. So here we are, just now departing from Langley Green. So now departing Langley Green station now. That's Langley Green. Class 172, operated by West Midlands Railway, formerly known as London Midlands, and one time it was also manned by Central Trains. It was part of Central Trains, so we've just gone over the Langley Green level crossing, and Langley Green is just not far away from Oldbury. Not far away from Oldbury, but however there's no station at Oldbury. It's either Langley Green or Raleigh Regis. Samuel and Dudley. Samuel and Dudley's actually on the mainline trains. You can tell that they've actually modernised the door, painted orange. That's just a bit like the old D stock on the District line on the London Underground. So we've now got the trains back on the channel. We filmed Class 158. So anyway, that's the Birmingham, that's the Wolverhampton Road, that's the 126 corridor, and that's the Wolverhampton Road. And here's the National Grid coming up. And just further onwards, and that's the M5 motorway, and the 202 Diamond bus service is on the other side, and that's run by Diamond Kidderminster. Goes Halzone down to Bromsgrove.
We are now approaching Raleigh Regis. Please mind the gap when leaving the train and step onto the platform before removing heavy luggage and pushchairs.
Regis, class 172. And of course Rowley Regis also provides connections up to Blackheath Town Centre. However, there's no station at Blackheath because you've got Rowley Regis, even though it's not in Rowley Regis itself, but not far away. It's connection with the 231 service that goes also Blackheath into Halzone, run by Diamond buses. And so we're now heading along and we're coming towards the Old Hill Tunnel. Now we're going to be going in the tunnel next, and the next station is going to be Old Hill, which is a small station after this one. So we'll be going to Old Hill next. Getting ready for the tunnel. We're on the tunnel, just a bit like on the London Underground. This is a bit like on the London Underground in London. So you can tell that it's pitch black. You do lose your phone signal in these tunnels. So this train's come from Stratford-upon-Avon, and this does the all stations. This stops at all the smaller stations like Langley Green, Old Hill, and then Rye, and then we'll go to Hagley, Black Dowling, before terminating in Gibbons, Worcestershire.
We are now approaching Old Hill. Please mind the gap when leaving the train and step onto the platform before removing heavy luggage and pushchairs.
Anyway, this is Old Hill. That's the old number 12 route there. The old Blackheath to Cradley Heath, and that was withdrawn in 2018 due to the low passenger patronage. This is Old Hill. Now, there's a short platform at this station, meaning only certain carriages are allowed to open at this station. So, this is Old Hill. It's only a small station. I am now leaving Old Hill. Next station, Cradley Heath.
We are now approaching Cradley Heath. Please mind the gap when leaving the train and step onto the platform before removing heavy luggage and pushchairs.